Welcome to Research Hub. This is Saidi, and today we are going to see the next of the line method, that is the 3-digit multiplications. Yesterday we have seen for 2 digits, and I know that you will feel that how 3-digit multiplication by line method, how we can do that. So let us see by example. So suppose we want to calculate 3 2 1 into 1 2 1. Now how we will calculate this for 3-digit number? Let us see that. Now in yesterday's class I told you that for the line multiplication we convert these numbers in the form of lines. So we will convert this 3 in the form of line. So let us draw the 3 lines. Okay, then for 2 and then for 1. Okay, you will have to draw these lines parallel to each other if there is a 3-digit number. Then multiply by this. So we know that we will convert this 1 in the form of line from the lower side. Here we will draw 1 line, then 2 lines in the middle and 1 line again here. Okay, now what we do? We take the intersection parts. So in the right hand side, this is the intersection. Then again, these 2 lines are the intersections. On the left hand side, this is the intersection and this is the intersection. And this is the middle intersected part. Okay. Now at the left hand side, how much points it is intersected at? Only 1 point. So we will write here 1. Next we will count and we will add these 2 intersections. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. Next we will add these 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Next we will add these 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And the last part we will add these 3. That is 3. And this is your final answer. I hope you got it and you will understand now for 4 digit, 5 digit, and you can solve any number, any digit number by this method. Only you have to know how we should take the intersection parts in the line method. Now let us see one more example so that it will be more clear to you. Now we will take 4, 3, 2 into 1, 3, 4. Let us solve this example. What we'll do? We'll draw 4 lines. Then 3. And then 2 lines. Then multiply sign. So we'll start this from the lower side. 1. 3. And 4. Okay. Now we will find the intersections. So here this part and this part. Here this part and this part. And this is the middle intersection parts. Now if you are getting confused that which are the intersection parts, so let us see how we will know that. So if 3-digit number is there, then the middle portion will contain 3 intersections. You will have to know that the middle portion will contain 3 intersections if it is a 3-digit number. If it is a 2-digit number, middle section will contain 2 intersections. And then you can divide them. If you know the middle portion, then you can divide easily. The first portion is of 1 intersection, then of 2, then of 3, then again 2, then 1. Like this, it increases up to the digits how much we are multiplying. And then it decreases by the number. Then now let me know in the comment section that if there are 4-digit numbers, then how many intersections will be there? Means for 3 digits we are getting 1, 2, 3, 2, 1 intersection. So for 4 digits how much we will get? Let me know. Now let us calculate this answer. So it is intersecting at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here we will write 8. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. Now, you will write 18? No. What you will write here? 8. And you will carry 1 in this section. So you'll count this now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. And this one is 28. And you will carry here 2. Now you count this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and this 2. 17. And 1 here. So these 4 and 1, 5. And this is your final answer. Now, I told you that this method you will get confused for the intersections. So let us see now another method. Let us take an example. If we want to multiply 3, 3, 2 into 1, 2, 2. Now for 2 digit we have seen that we will multiply these two, then cross multiply, then this, and we get a infinity curve. So we call it as a infinity method. Now let us see for 3 digit how we will do. Now you will have to understand first that you will multiply these two numbers. Okay, means same as in the 2 digit we have done. Okay, then cross multiply same as in 2 digit. Then a wide cross multiply. And also this, and you will add this. You will understand by when I will solve the example. Let us now take the what is the practical purpose behind it. So first these two, then cross multiply, then these 3 we will cross multiply and add them. Then again cross multiply of the left part, then the remaining. So this is nothing but the basic concept of the 3 digit multiplication. Okay, now let's see how we will do that. So first, what? These two. 2 into 2 is 4. Then is what? Cross multiply. So what is this? 3 into 2 is 6. 2 into 2 is 4. So 6 plus 4 is 10. You will write here 10? No, you will write here 0 and carry 1. Now a wide multiplication. So what? 3 into 2 is 6. 2 into 1 is 2. And 3 into 2 is again 6. So we will add these 3. So what? 14. You will write 14? No. And this one is carry. So 15. So you will write here 5 and carry 1. Then the left side cross multiplication. What is? 3 into 2 is 6. 3 into 1 is 3. So 6 plus 3 is 9. And this one. So 10. You will write here 0 and carry 1. The last is these two multiplication. 3 into 1 is 3. Plus this one is 4. And this is your final answer. Okay. Now let us see again one example so that it will be more clear, and it is the easier method than the line method I feel. Let me know what you feel. Now we will see for 4, 4, 4 into 5, 5, 5. So how we will solve? Here I have drawn it, and in that way we will solve it. So first we will multiply these two. That is 4 into 5 is 20. Carry 2. Then cross multiply the right side. So 5 4s are 20. 5 4s are 20. It is nothing but 40. Plus 2 is 42. So carry 4. Then a wide multiplication. So 20 plus 20 plus 20 is 60. Plus 4 is 64. You will write here 4 and 6 here. So, and last, this multiplication. 20 plus 20 is 40 plus 6 is 46. You will write here 6 and 4 carry. 5 4 20 plus 4 24. This is nothing but your final answer. Again, as I am saying from the first video, that the practice will make you perfect. Okay, means so many number of examples you take by yourself and solve them, so your calculation speed will increase day by day. And if you will not solve, you will be here only that this is the multiplication method, and you will need much more time if you will not practice it regularly. So take by yourself examples and let me know if you are getting difficulty in solving, and let me know which examples you want to try, and also I will solve them here if you are getting it difficult to solve. So if you like this, please like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.